It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and I'm here with Josh. And we just completed assembling all of our cabinets, and we just took inventory, making sure all the measurements were correct according to our design and according to our schedule. And now the next step is to start to make sure the measurements in the room line up with the measurements in our drawings. So Josh, I see we have some drawings on here. What are we doing here?
Yeah, so we just pinned these up. Basically what these are the floor plans and the elevations from the design packet you should have received from your cabinet coach and your designer. And what we're trying to do is we're just trying to make sure key things like your drain pipe, your water lines are actually in the sink base cabinet and not outside of it. The dishwasher power, outlets for the range, plumbing outlets for the fridge. We really want to just make sure those things are in the right place. Obviously, we can't put cabinets in if they're not in the right place. We've taken the time to just briefly sketch the edges, the start and stop of each cabinet. You know, the sink base, the trash can, the dishwasher. We just want to visually be able to step back and look and make sure there's not going to be any big issues that will halt us from doing our installation.
Awesome. And so you talked about outlets, you talked about plumbing. Anything else that we should be checking to make sure things are lining up correctly?
Yeah, we really want to focus on like sink center lines. So we have a window here. And typically your kitchen sink, as in this situation, this is designed so that the kitchen sink centers on this window. So we've taken the time to pull from the corner. We actually checked the corner ahead of time to make sure it was first plumbed. Once we've determined that, we've pulled from the corner and gone here to the center of this window, brought a mark down, and we verified that this is exactly centered right where we need it. We've done the same for the range. We see the vent pipe above, so we're in good shape.
So it's a good thing that for us, everything's lining up, but what happens if those measurements are off?
So really it comes down to, you know, if you're working with a contractor, if you're just a homeowner doing it yourself, you really cannot go forward if the plumbing is in the wrong spot or the outlets are in the wrong spot. You'll have to really decide if that's something that your contractor needs to fix before this cabinet install can start, or if it's something that we can help fix. Really, one of the most common things that we see is the wires for the dishwasher. That's an easy move. Most of the time we can move that within the wall. A little bit more difficult would be like the plumbing lines. In this situation, if that plumbing line maybe landed outside of that cabinet an inch or two, water lines are pretty easy to move, drain lines not so much. You may either A, have to have that line moved, or B, we can just do a little shortening on your cabinet and widening the adjacent cabinet. We have the ability to resize cabinets. We can do all kinds of cool options. It's not the end of the road. We can certainly find a solution, but this is why we spend so much time on the front end trying to double and triple check our measurements. We just really want to make sure that all is accounted for and there's no unforeseen surprises. It happens, it's part of the gig, but at the end of the day, there is a solution. If you run into any of these issues, we can certainly help you find a solution for this. If you have any other questions, just reach out to your cabinet coach or call us at 888-201-6482. Thank you. Have a good day.